It's not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that makes happiness. I am both happy and sad at the same time, and I am still trying to figure out how that could be. Happiness is itself a kind of gratitude. I am so happy and grateful to have you in my life. Every moment I spent with you is like a dream come true. I am being what I am. Happiness is not a station you arrive at, but a manner of traveling. I am happy to be blessed with such a great life. Be believing, be happy, don't get discouraged. Things will work out when my kids are happy. I am happy. You will never be happy if you continue to search for what happiness consists of. You will never live if you are looking the meaning of life. To live a happy life, you need to be able to have your patience extended and let go of sadness. Be happy with what you have. Be excited about what you want. Happy girls are the prettiest. Stop looking to other people for your happiness. You have to depend it on yourself. Trust me, you need not seek any problem that is not yours. Let them resolve them on their own. Smile. Whoever is happy will make others happy. The secret of happiness is freedom. The secret of freedom is courage. People should find happiness in the little things like family. At the end of the day, what really matters is the moments you were happy, not the sad ones. Folks are usually about as happy as they make their minds up to be. Happiness is a way station between too little and too much. Do not stress yourself and just go live a happy life without a care in the world. Believe me, negativity will only bring sadness in your life, so you might as well let go and just be happy. True happiness is when you do not feel like being inured at your annoying roommate. If you count the times you are truly happy, then you will know just how happy you truly are. Live for the things that make you happy and just forget about all else. That is rule number one. The best thing about me is that I am comfortable enough to be happy in my own skin, in myself. At the end of the day, what really matters is the moments you were happy, not the sad ones. When you are happy, nothing else in the world really matters. That is the truth. Among all truth, I like what I am doing, and there is freedom in doing the things that you like. So I am happy. You need to stop making those pouty faces and start putting on smiles, because believe me, I fell in love with this journey called life, and I am loving every second. I am happy all day except who you are, and go for who you want to be. Rejoice in yourself and become happy. Happy is something that you feel when you get praised, when you get things done right. There is a joy in finding where you are meant to go, what you are meant to be. All this time, when you give it your all in everything that you do, then you will feel as happy as I feel now. I will be happy no matter what. I will get there and be happy about it. I have so much to do. The best thing to do right now is to be kind and spread love. You will you will feel happy inside. The best feeling in the world is when you feel like you are floating in cloud nine happiness. The key to feeling happy is to believe in yourself and in the things that you can do. That is true. The goal is not to get there to where you want to be, but to enjoy the journey toward it. I am excited about doing the things that I want because I am strong enough to know what they are in life. It is never too late to change, never too late to figure out the things that make you happy. So go out there and just show the world what you love to do. I wanted to die back then, but now I am happy with living my life to the fullest. That is true. I feel the best when I am happy. I am happy every day because life is moving in a very positive way. Today I had the best day of my life and I just want to keep paying it forward. So keep happy, laugh, and love the life you are living, and you will make no regrets at all. Trust me on this. This is my day. I will live my life how I want it to be. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? Nothing is ever going to change this day for me. It is a happy day and I am feeling happy now. Nothing is impossible to the person that really wants it. Look at me now. I am happy living. The secret to feeling happy is just to enjoy the things you are doing right now. It is okay.